Alright.
I'm just standing here looking at your corpse in the water. So sad.
Ow, ghosts are fast now.
Yeah, they go like
They
50.
weren't always this fast. Didn't it used to be like normal speed and then night elves
Had 50%.
had pretty quick?
Yeah, now ghosts are like 50% faster and night elves are 100.
Wow, that's a lot.
So they can just die all they want. I really
I
wonder
am the
why.
ghost of the Christmas present. Fear me. I can walk on water apparently.
You are the ghost. You're the ghost of the Christmas present. So, so your socks, something like that.
Whoa! Hello.
Okay, let's. There's a lot of things you could loot, I think.
Yeah, I only need the one of the crystal kelp thingamajigs, and now I have it.
You got it?
Yeah,
Ah, great.
that's
let's
all
just,
we needed.
let's just get back then.
Yeah, I'll call this a success.
We actually just walked right into a Murloc nest.
Yeah, we realized it, and then we didn't do anything about it.
We were kind of doing all right until we died. Until you died. Sorry.
Yeah, we're doing alright until we didn't do alright. You got that right.
From Left 4 Dead. We're doing all right. So.
Oh, I quoted that? Oh.
Hmm?
It's not intentional if I quoted it. I don't have Left 4 Dead, so...
Ah.
I played the demo, and that's about it.
Hello.
It's kind of fun.
See you later.
I know it's fun. I just don't have it.
Dead Island.
Ugh.
Fluffy kittens. So we have to.
Didn't
Need
adjust.
something?
Didn't adjust.
Have a good one.
There we go. I just turned it in, and apparently didn't register.
Behold, a undead paladin.
An undead paladin. That actually reminds me, how is it even possible for blood elves to be paladins? I don't. That confuses me.
There's like this long lore story about blood elves kidnapping a Naru and like harvesting the powers to.
Is an
become
Naru a god or something?
This demigod
See you
thing.
later.
A demigod?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, it just confused me because you know Horde is like the bad guys and paladins. It says
They're not the bad guys. They are misunderstood. Okay.
they're bad guys. They got like skeletons and stuff. And skeletons are evil. Anyway, just confused me because you know paladins are all defender of truth and justice and
Yeah.
slayer of evil and all that.
But the Naru are like
the
being-
Naruto.
No, not the Naruto. The Naru. Naru. They're like beings of pure light or something like that.
Yes.
And then there's like this long quest line where you get all of it explained to you and a lot of things that happen in the Burning Crusade expansion that I won't spoil for you.
Okay, so I find out actually. Something
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah. There's like a quest.
Okay,
line.
because you know I made a blood elf and she's a paladin.
Yeah, what level?
I think level 7, I believe.
Yeah, you get it unless Blizzard removed it. You get like an explanation at level 10 or 12 or something like that.
Okay.
I think, and if they removed it, then yeah, feel free to ask again. I'm glad to
Yeah,
explain.
I can ask again if that's... spiders.
What? Yeah, at least they don't look like as lifelike as the ones in Skyrim.
That big boss spider at the start with the big fangs and ugh.
Yeah, yeah.
I still have nightmares about that stuff. Not really, but it sounds dramatic.
Yeah. I've found a dungeon where I just ran in and it kind of just jumped down on me, so I almost shat.
You didn't see.
I almost shat myself.
So you didn't see it coming. Yeah.
No, and it was like one of the big ones and just landed with his fat ass on me. It's like, oh.
Yeah, at least with that first boss spider, you at least kind of saw it coming because you'd been finding a lot of spiders. So.
Yeah, and you're walking around a giant spider's nest. Or net. Web. Web! That's the word. Spider web.
Yeah, like Spider-Man. Only not.
When is that coming out again?
The new
The
one is like the start of July. Here, at least.
In Denmark?
Yeah, in Denmark it's like the start of July.
I actually had a discussion with a friend of mine the other day.
Yeah.
Where Spider-Man wasn't a part of the Avengers, is he? He never were.
He were at one point.
Good day
Really?
to you.
Yeah.
Damn it.
I'm not sure if he was one of the...
I think I just lost a bet then.
I don't know if he's one of the originals, but he was at one point. It's just, it's impossible for him to be in the Avengers movie, because...
He's not made yet, or something.
no, because the ones that own the rights to the movies are different people. Like like Marvel
How
owns the
are
rights
you?
to Iron Man and Hulk and stuff like that. But it's
Mm.
Sony that owns the rights
See you
to
later.
Spider-Man,
Ah.
so that's why they can't be together.
I think that when they were making the Avengers, they were like, guys, do we want Tobey Maguire in this movie? Like, nah,
Ah.
we're good.
But you know, that's also why they're not gonna make a Justice League movie, because he was owned by different people. So they can't be movies together.
But surely, the great commercial companies will come together in order to make a brilliant movie, because they are not all about making money. Surely they will help each other out so the fans can get a movie, right?
You know, your nickname Idiot kind of seems to fit more and more.
It's not idiot, it's gullible.
It's Idiot. Yes, you are gullible, but you're also an idiot.
Did you just get a level?
No, I'm. I need 13 experience.
Let's just kill something. It's like a pig. Yeah.
Yeah, a random pig. Here, pig.
There we go. You just like flared out like boom, boom.
New ability, Frost Nova.
That's good. That's like a
Is it like a ice version of Fire Blast or something?
no. It's like if you get chased by a lot of mobs, then you pop Frost Nova and they get like stuck.
Oh, so I can
in
back
the-
off and get some room.
Yeah, exactly.
That's useful.
How are
And
you?
I got parry, so I can like
Yeah, and it's instant too.
yeah. If people attack me now, then I can parry the attacks, and I got concussive shot, which means that if I shoot the concussive shot at first, I think the mobs will like run
See you
slower
around.
towards me.
Ah. Nice.
Did you try using Frost Nova?
No, I haven't.
Just pop it.
That was anticlimactic.
I believe it's more interesting when there's other.
When you actually hit stuff.
Yeah.
I was expecting like ice spikes or something like that. But no, just...
Ice baby.
No, not that kind of ice. Although you are wide enough to...
I am.
Dang it!
That's just funny.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Damn it. What? I lost track. What are we doing again?
I don't know.
We're going to. Just
It's not like there's a big overarching story or something. You know, kind of like the Old Republic or something.
Shut up. The Old Republic.
Come on, I haven't talked about it for a while now.
Yeah, at least 10 minutes or something.
Yeah.
I think we're going to that place called
A rabbit!
I need a target.
no, not rabbit.
Rabbit! I killed the rabbit. Cause we're the good guys.
The Jasper. You know, you cannot say that the Alliance and the Horde are like the good and the bad guys.
Yes, I can. I just did. The Alliance are the good guys, the Horde are the bad guys. See? I could do it.
Have you seen the Human King?
You mean the one that Arthur's killed?
No.
Yeah, I
the,
saw him when he killed him.
the current king, Rin, Varian, Rin.
Aragon.
Yeah, Aragon.
Why did you kill the cow? That's just cold.
I'm a hunter. It's what I do.
Okay, hold on. Let's split the video here before I go any further. Murderer.